when you first receive the padlock, it will be set on 00000. To change the number to your own combination, pull up the padlock, turn it through 90 degrees. Then on this end, turn that through 90 degrees until it stops. You can then select what number that you like. So I'm going to change it to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You then turn the end back to its original position, pull the padlock round and push it back into position. Then when you've changed all the numbers back to 00000, the padlock won't open. Once, just to double check, we're going to set it again to 1, 2. We're lining up with this mark on the right and on the left now. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, and the padlock will open. Thanks for watching. For any other questions regarding tools for the home, garage and garden, please visit amtechdiy.com and we look forward to answering them for you. Also, please don't forget to subscribe to our Amtech DIY YouTube channel for more DIY videos. Thank you.